Good afternoon, everyone. This is John Riccone, your Irwin Keith and Progeny Ag agronomist. We're at the research farm planting the soybean plot today. We're about 1 inch deep, plenty of moisture, looking for complete uniform emergence between 150 and 140,000 seeds per acre is what we're aiming for on our drop rate. We've got a few new things that everyone will get to see this July. We have the Extend lines that Progeny will be offering if approved in 16, as well as expected approval in future sales in 2017. Farmers have been calling in the last 2 weeks on planting date and when to change from a Group 4 to a Group 5. Planting studies throughout the Mid-South in the last 3 years have proven that a Group 4 will maintain yield towards the middle of May. After that, we should be evaluating a Group 5 on your land. If you've got any questions, call your local Progeny Ag seed rep. We'll see you down the field.